The journey of life. Life is a journey filled with challenges, joy, and lesson. Each day offers a new chance to learn, grow, and become better. The path may not always be smooth. There will be trials and moments of failure. But every setback is an opportunity to rise stronger and move forward. What matters most is faith in your belief in yourself. Even in the stormiest time, each day is a fresh start, a chance to love yourself, share kindness with others, and be grateful for the blessing you have. Remember, the true measure of life is not in wealth or achievement, but in how much love we give and how we cherish the